In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Etsy app. If you shop on Etsy and want prices to display in a currency that makes sense for you, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. Changing the currency only affects how prices are shown to you. It doesn't change the seller's pricing, and you can switch back anytime. Start by opening the Etsy app on your phone or visiting Etsy in your mobile or desktop browser. Make sure you're signed in to your account so your preferences are saved across devices. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right and tap the account icon. This is the small profile button that opens your personal menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage how Etsy behaves for your profile. Inside your account settings, find the section labeled Location Settings. This is where Etsy groups language, region, and currency preferences, so everything you see matches your location and comfort. Within Location Settings, look for the Currency option. Tap it, and you'll see a list of available currencies such as dollars, euros, pounds, and more. Select the currency you prefer for browsing and shopping. Choosing the right currency helps you compare prices accurately and avoid mental math while you're scrolling through products. After you've made your choice, scroll down and tap Save Settings. Saving is important. If you navigate away before saving, your selection won't stick. Once saved, Etsy will refresh and display item prices, shipping estimates, and totals in the currency you selected. If you already had the app open, you may notice the change within a few seconds. If not, simply close and reopen the app or refresh the page in your browser. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Currency changes affect how prices are displayed, but actual payments may still involve your bank's conversion if your payment method is in a different currency. Etsy uses current exchange rates to show converted prices, so small variations can happen over time. If you're a seller, remember that your shop currency is separate from this browsing currency. What we changed here is just how you see prices as a shopper. If you don't see the location settings section, double-check that you're signed in, update your app to the latest version, or try the same steps on Etsy's website. And if your prices don't switch right away, refresh the app or clear the app cache to prompt an update. That's it. Your Etsy currency is now updated and ready for a smoother shopping experience.